My pond was in need of some tender, loving care. The waterfalls clogged with leaves and debris, and the surrounding area could use some updating. I never thought bringing this neglected pond back to life could be so simple, but with the POPOSOAP pond filter with pump fountain kit, it's not just possible. It's super easy. But first I had to clean up the pond. It was neglected for a long time, and after 2 hurricanes, I had to remove some really large branches and a lot of fallen debris. Then I had to completely drain the pond in order to remove a ton of sediment and a lot of muck that had accumulated over years with no filter. The 2-way filtration system is easy and amazing. It filters out the impurities and prevents clogs, keeping the pond clean and clear. Plus, it's super easy to take it apart and clean it whenever I need to. The filter kit comes with 2 layers of foam filtration plus bio balls for a double cleaning action, which will keep my future fish very happy, wink wink. Installing the pump is super simple. The key to installing the pump is to make sure that you install it at the right height/depth for your pond. My pond's fairly deep, so I had to place the pump on a cinder block, as you can see here, to raise it to the proper height so that the fountain would be above water. You also don't want your pump to sit directly on the bottom of your pond, because it'll end up sitting in muck and debris, and it may end up sucking in some of that debris and leaves from the bottom of your pond. And the adjustable water flow is perfect for creating just the right vibe for the pond. It makes it easy to adjust the fountain cone to fit the size of your pond so it's not too big and spilling water out of your pond, and not too small. At first my water feature was a little bit small, so I adjusted the water flow and made it just the right size, a little bit bigger, and now it's perfect, and it sounds so soothing and so peaceful. So after I filled the pond and adjusted the water flow to my liking, I added a few new plants to the surrounding landscape, a couple new candle lanterns, so now I can enjoy my pond in the quiet of the evening. Adding this dynamic water feature by POPOSOAP has completely transformed my pond. It's alive again and blends beautifully with the natural surroundings, and I can't wait to fill it with beautiful fish. The low noise operation of the pump and filter ensures a harmonious existence with the wildlife surrounding my pond, and it makes the pond my go-to spot to relax and unwind in the evening. It's really incredible to see how far this pond has come. It was so terribly neglected and so in need of a facelift. The POPOSOAP pond filter with the pump fountain kit made it all so simple and so rewarding. So if you want to turn your vision of a peaceful, serene pond into reality, shop the POPOSOAP pond filter with pump fountain kit with our link below. Thanks to POPOSOAP for sponsoring this video.